Hey, it's Wes. Today we're going to talk about what you should look for when you visit an open house. When people go into an open house, they are just scatterbrained, looking all over the place, probably getting caught up with the paint colors and the carpet. Don't do that. Those are things that can be changed. Sure, they're probably brand new and very exciting. You need to look for the big ticket items, the things that could cost you a lot of money in the future. I'm talking about the roof, and you can't climb up on the roof, but ask the listing agent, how old is the roof? And you can look at the shingles out front to see if they're newer or if they've got some weathering, some gray on the roof. You also want to look at the HVAC. You can see outside if it looks like a newer unit. Even the hot water heater, you can take a look to see if there's any age on it, and ask the listing agent. He or she may have a list of the years that those units were replaced. Those are the important things that you want to look for in an open house instead of the paint and carpet. Also, look at the floor plan. Does the floor plan work for you? Does it have a walkout or walk-up basement? Those are the things that are very difficult to change and the things you want to look for. A lot of times people are updating the kitchens and the bathrooms and get overexcited with those. It's great that those are done, but also look at the other items. If it has a basement, do you smell any moisture down there? Take a look. Now, if there is a crack in the foundation or a major latent material defect, that is a major issue, the listing agent must disclose the knowledge that there's a problem, even with the drain field, big items like that. So those are things that you need to look for during an open house. If you're able to, if the market allows you to do so, ask for the opportunity at the buyer's cost to do a home inspection. And the home inspector has liability insurance, but that'll give you probably a 3 or 4 hour opportunity to go into the property to really look at it. So those are the big items to look for in the open house. Please subscribe and send me your questions.